Today we are crocheting an apple. Start with a chain stitch foundation. Chain stitches. Make 17 chain stitches. Done. Row 1. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the 16th stitch. At the back loop, work 16 slip stitches. Mark the first stitch. "16 stitches completed." Chain stitches. Pay attention to the insertion point. Row 2. Work 16 slip stitches. Turn the work. Mark the first stitch. "16 stitches completed." Chain stitches. Row 3. Pay attention to the insertion point. Work 16 slip stitches. Place a marker. Crochet a total of 36 rows of slip stitches. 36 rows completed. Chain stitches. Fold the pieces in half. Work 16 slip stitches. "16 stitches completed." Chain stitches. Seam the pieces. Stuff the pieces. Shape the pieces. Crochet the stem. Start with a chain stitch foundation. Make 10 chain stitches. Crochet the leaf. Start with a chain stitch foundation. Make 5 chain stitches. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Works 1 single crochet. Work 1 half double crochet. Works 1 single crochet. Make 2 chain stitches. Works 1 single crochet. Works 2 double crochets. Works 1 single crochet. Chain stitches. Connect with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Leaf completed. Seam the pieces. Did you learn it? Please like and follow. Leave a comment to share your thoughts.